Assalamu alaikum. This is Musarrad Shah from Pakistan, and it is the fourth assignment, part of the International Educator Bootcamp on AI and Coding with Junior Blocks from Stempedia. Let's move on to the assignment. Okay, this assignment is about the drawing different shapes. So here is the coding. In this there are various blocks are used. The writing block, the position block is shown, and the rotation block. These are the new blocks in this bootcamp series. So in this is the pointer sprite, and this pointer sprite will draw, and the in the first screen the squares in the circle array, squares in the circle array in different colors. So whenever the first drawings when the first drawing starts, it selects the color and start to draw the square at different locations in circular array, and again changes the color, draw the square, and when it is finished, a message sent to the another series of drawing blocks. So in this way it goes on and finishes, and then move on to another screen. So in the another screen there is a buttons, and the respective shape name is written on it, and when it is clicked, the respective shape starts drawing and displayed on the screen. Let's execute the code. So let's make the speed normal. Now start the drawing. Now sit tight, and it will take time, and it goes on. The respective line of code blocks are highlighted yellow. Now this square has been drawn. Now this square is going on to be drawn on the screen. Now this blue one, now this line of code starts drawing the square. Last line of code, the pink one. Now the blue one. There are repetition of two, here, 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 and here. So on another screen, these buttons are, and I will first click the pentagon, This is the code of the pentagon. This part is missing because I clicked the sprite, that is why. So I will press the clear button. Now start octagon. Now this missing part is due to the processing, otherwise there is no issue. This is the code for the pentagon. Draws, changes the angle, and now it is finished. Clear. Now the diamond part. First I click the sprite, so there is no missing. Is the respective code. The line drawing code. First it delete all the previous drawings. Select the character which is a black point, and again the position, the speed, the line width, and the color, pens down, and then it is the path, code for the path, drawing path. Now we move on to the another screen, clear it, and click the star, and this is the star. This portion is same for all sprites, drawing sprites, shape sprites, and this is the code for this star. This the missing lines are due to the processing, otherwise there is no issue. I will restart it again once it's complete. Let's see again. This code is for the drawing path. This part is missing because of the processing, computer or laptop processing, otherwise there is no issue. And all shapes are complete. Thank you.